Let's dive into item number 1, the Budget Airline Lifesaver. Never pay a baggage fee again. Item number 1, and this one has literally saved us money. It's a measuring tape, not a ruler, no guessing, a measuring tape. Here's the thing about budget airlines. They will charge you a bag fee on the spot if your carry-on is even a little too big. And those fees can be $50 to $75, sometimes even more. We measure our bag before we ever leave for the airport. This little thing weighs nothing, costs next to nothing, and it has paid for itself 100 times over. Item number 2 is one I didn't expect to love as much as I do. It's a food-safe silicone zip-top bag, the kind you'd normally use in a kitchen. Yes, it works perfectly as your TSA liquids bag, but that's the boring use. Here's what we actually use it for. A mini washing machine. You put your clothes in, add a little soap and water, seal it up, give it a shake, rinse it, and you're done. No hunting for a laundromat, no paying hotel laundry prices, just clean clothes anywhere. It's one of our favorite budget travel hacks, and it takes up almost zero space. Oh, and yeah, you can use it for leftover pastries too. The silicone pouch also works really great as an ice pack. I did an entire video just on travel laundry. Be sure to check that one out. Okay, this one is genuinely fun to watch. These are compressed face towels. They come in these tiny little tablets about the size of your thumbnail, and when you add water, you get a full-sized face cloth. We use these for everything. To wipe off sand at the beach, when you just need something quick, an extra washcloth, wiping down a sweaty train seat, cleaning off an airline. A whole pack fits in the palm of your hand and weighs almost nothing. This is peak MacGyver packing. Item number 4 is this Bungee clothesline. And this one is especially great if you're using that silicone washing bag we just talked about. You string this between 2 points in your hotel room or a bathroom or even on your cruise ship balcony. Suddenly, you have a drying line for your clothes. No more draping wet socks over a lamp. No more clothes piled on the bathroom floor. It packs up into a little loop about the size of your fist. This is a must-have for anyone doing any kind of budget travel or extended trip. Okay, item number 5, a small, lightweight mirror. It sounds obvious, right? But hear me out. Hotel mirrors are fixed. Airplane bathrooms are super tiny. And when you're trying to put in your contacts, or you're trying to see if there's something in your eye, or you're trying to see the back of your hair to make sure you don't have a hole and a part in your hair that you missed, this comes in clutch. Having your own mirror is more useful than people realize. We use a simple, lightweight one, not a makeup mirror, just a small, plain, foldable mirror. It takes up almost no room, and we use it every trip. Item number 6 is the one that gets the most skeptical looks, a small paper notebook. But I have a phone. I know, we all do. But phones die, apps crash, and there's something about writing down a confirmation number, a local address, or a currency conversion by hand that just sticks. We use ours for everything. Sketching a neighborhood map, jotting down a restaurant recommendation from a local, keeping a running list of what we spend, making a grocery list. Small, light, and 0 battery required, it earns its spot every single time. Okay, you've been waiting for this one, the pool float. Here is why this is the single weirdest and most useful thing in our carry-on. Deflated, it rolls up flat and barely takes any space. It slides right between the interior of your bag where the handle goes and you have those little wells or divots. This is perfect to slide in there. But once you get to your location, check this out. It's a headrest. On a long flight or a train ride, it's a footrest. Prop it under your feet in an airport chair during a layover, and your legs will thank you. At the beach or the pool, you don't have to rent a float or buy a float. And in the sand, inflate it, tuck it under your feet or your neck, and you have instant comfort. 1 item, 4 uses, no extra bag fee. This is exactly what smart packing tips look like. So there you have it, our MacGyver carry-on list. 7 things that aren't on any standard packing list, but that we genuinely never travel without. If you want to see exactly how we pack our carry-on from start to finish using these items, I'm going to attach the playlist down below of all of our packing videos, and you'll see where each of these fit in. And if you're new here, we're Wayne and Melissa. We travel the world on a budget without sacrificing the good stuff. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.